this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the one, the only, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters who wear cat heads while stealing my content and my titles, or trolls. And this is Burgh Unboxing, and I want to apologize. I have been under the weather all weekend. My sinuses have been acting up, and wearing those shoes really hurt my feet. My left toe is still swollen, and I stayed up all night because I could not get to sleep. All right, this is a large, heavy box, and so enjoy your gift. Hi, George. Thank you. And didn't know they sent these like this. I went to sleep about 3 o'clock finally, and just woke up. I'm going back to sleep for an hour. It is 6:51. I'll go feed the cats, and then go back to sleep for the evening. Okay. The news out there is scary about New York and 2 other states, and Angela Merkel and Rand Paul and Mitt Romney. So, okay, this is interesting way they put this stuff in the box. All right, there are 4 of these. I've only bought dollar Palmolive before. So there's 4 Palmolive Oxys, because I was running out of Dawn. And interesting way they package these. So now I have dish soap, which can also be used, of course, to clean. So thank you for this, anonymous benefactor. And here is Anonymous Fluffy. He is looking around. All right, there you go. There's 4. These things are heavy, too. These are like 2.3 pints. So that's a lot of dish soap. So I appreciate that. I won't have to buy dish soap for a while, and I won't have to worry about how do I clean my kitchen counter and my stove and all that when the Lysol runs out. And there's the interesting box. I don't know if you can see the bottom of that. I don't think you can. Hold on. It's like a little nest. There you go. Never saw a package like that before either. So that's a very interesting box. Ultra Palmolive sold as set, and this is curious. Who would think? 33 boxes per tier, 3 layers high. That's a lot of Palmolive. You can see that on the box. Maybe. There. They got that stacked up like cordwood. All right. That's it for this one. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be, and stay warm and dry or cool and dry, and stay safe and stay well. Bye-bye for now.